Hi friends! Have you ever been asked to be a helper or a leader? Today's true Bible story is about how God chose a new leader to help his people. Let's go on a Bible adventure together. Moses had been leading God's people for a long time, but now it was almost time for Moses to go home to be with God. God told Moses, "It's time to pick someone new to lead my people." So Moses asked God who will help them. God chose Joshua, a brave and faithful man who loved God. Moses put his hands on Joshua and prayed for him. God gave Joshua the strength and wisdom he needed to lead the Israelites into the beautiful land he had promised. Joshua didn't have to be afraid. God was with him. Just like God chose Joshua, God chooses and prepares people to help today too. God has a special purpose for each one of us. When we follow him, he gives us everything we need to do his good work. Wasn't that a wonderful story? Want to hear more Bible adventures made just for you? Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.